debe gi masani jalup jatend piny mar Kenya masani mano Githure Kindiki. Voting was not him. To at the end of the day, ji no osetlo ni mondo ngoa Kindiki obed ngoa be jatend piny mar bed jalup Ruto. But kaka ne gino dotimore ntie kata mago sani entiere on the public domain kaka ne odhi modhio bedo finally appointed. Anyalo wacho ni Gachagua en ng'ama a very good orator. Ineno from what he did, he's a literature student and a political science student as well. To learn in a very skilled way, the way he talks, in fact, I'm sure kada Ruto won. One of the biggest threats, kada jinyalo wacho maybe Uhuru Kenyatta or whichever the case, regarding Gachagua remains the thorn in the flesh ne the sitting president. Koro bana kaka wacho Clifford Wakoni king'iyo a look, leave alone the opinion polls masamoro maybe nyalo wuok. I'll be very honest kai in terms of maybe the race money about the presidency. Gachagua Koponi sani no adhi debe. This is something someone okay wanyalo pogore pari but the way kaka nene in my own view Gachagua pose a very big threat to Ruto. And Koponi wadhi debe sani obedo cleared ni is going to run. I think he'll give a run for Ruto's money. And also stand a very high chance mono obed elected. But again, some maybe stand on his way the impeachment tag masan intil kume. Or maybe slightly the issue of people or labelers are tribalist. What I know from Mano is very much evident. It's more into Mulima, of which Clopas says and local. Karaboni just says a bed near Temanang like Kinyak. But maybe Koponi dwell Dalo Sana for long. Onyalo be too much excess. Korapani so far Gachagua stand a very good chance. Koponi maybe legal avenues obedo exhausted one team moyo de manyalo mi obed a leader maybe obed allowed to vie onyalo bedo gi a very good chance mondo me o challenge Ruto. But anyway ngeni bende okinyal underestimate the power mar the sitting president and under imino on a lot of things monyalo be tiyo godo mondo me at least or take part or maybe or control the electioneering system and the people. Koro kineno kata kaka no wuoyo I think all work on this tour to the US. I think wuoyo for watching this for 2 months. To kupon kineno 2 months ntiere a particular place mabende iwacho ni ntiere kaka jalup gine jatend piny mar Kenya bedhi wuok Kenya ka kodhi US. To ntiere weche moko be makuodhore. Koro Clifford siasa en gima samoro maybe ngarnyane in a very shallow way lakini and samoro is going to be deep. Mar samoro ntie moko ma jio opandre gima kata samoro ka wanya wacho maybe jo piny kik yieni mondo itiyo godo jo siasa gin joma tiyo kodwa gi wacho gik manje maybe nyalo moro wangwa kata nyalo moro wang jo piny kata kineno maybe Gachagua en ngama drive on incitement gimoro amora motimo he like to pop holes kuom maybe kama ngabe ni mare en ngeni good is very good in communication. Koro maybe gimoro amora mwacho ngabe ni kai ntie jomoko ma definitely more they hit hard but they have to think twice about their stand. Koponi maybe they support the government or not. But and as we speak for now is not eligible to vie. Konya hiyo chunko mora. To angi mange Cleophas deeply or he maybe not be bad from vying. But and maybe or they want to be like kadembo ngeyo kineno from we man go nyoro ni jiwache ni he can only be a kingmaker and he can't be the king himself. Onge bet ni mano kiji ngema bet ni virtual is very much is very much evident ni okonya de chunke even still kadama the legal avenues the government still can take a lot of influence. Koponi maybe give feeling mano ngama nyalo bedo a threat to them. But even still Cleophas serikali be nyalo yie ni mondo let us elect this guy. Koponi go kono ber ngama ber ni koponi ngano tie debe definitely Gachagua nyalo yie mondo mi obed oko mar koponi is allowed to vie. It's true I've been to Wamunyoro but it was on a very personal location with a friend of mine and I could see the kind of delegation madonjo kanyo. That guy is very presidential. And definitely he compare with someone like Alonso, someone like Sifuna. You have to look, not even look, but also kangatoneno. You have the machinery, you have the mostly importantly the resources. Kingi resources mnyalo maybe kinyalo command a particular maybe madala ni pong pele. In fact, you have a very good following. Koro
Nashon. Dala ni pong keti presidential. Delegations